Hi and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I want to tell you all the great things that I have planned for May. I do have my book here so that I don't forget anything, so if I look down, I'm not trying to be impolite, okay? First off, I'm going to have at least 2 more really big giveaways like I've been having in April and March. And if you're watching this the day it goes up, make sure that you get into that April giveaway that I have going on right now, because I'm going to be picking the winner for that in just a couple of days. So you want to make sure that you're entered so that you could possibly win. Alright, so at least another two more giveaways valued at US dollar 150 or more, okay? I also have, starting off, really fun activities for May Day. I'm just going to have a couple, but they are going to be really easy beginner activities that you can maybe do with a child, and they're all floral activities, of course, and I'm just bringing in the May, and we're just going to be continuing to have May Day all month because this month is going to be all about flowers, okay? I'm going to be bringing you 2 Granny Squares a week. Of course, there's going to be the Granny Square Sunday, but I'm also going to be making sure that we have a floral Granny Square each week, okay? I'm also going to be teaching you a whole lot of different floral stitches. From iconic flowers like roses, tulips, and sunflowers, to open work crochet flowers, to just stitches that are named after flowers. I'm going to be covering it all flowers, okay? Just in case you don't know the theme. But I am going to celebrate Cinco De Mayo because it's really important to me that I share with you all of the different gifts that I have when it comes to crochet. And one really fun way of crocheting is with mosaic crochet, okay? Mosaic crochet is a really beautiful advanced way to crochet, but it has a really strong Hispanic and Latino background, and I thought that Cinco de Mayo would be a great day to start my beginner series on how to learn mosaic crochet, okay? So I am really excited to teach you how to do that. Plus, I'm really excited to teach you guys some patterns that I've designed myself in mosaics. And for those of you who might be thinking, oh my goodness, it's advanced, it is so much easier than it looks. So just give it a chance. Just give it a chance, okay? I promise you're not gonna be disappointed, and it's kind of addictive. So if you get addicted to different kinds of patterns easily, maybe you shouldn't give it a chance. But give it a chance anyway, maybe? Alright. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you guys know what I'm keeping the same. I am going to be continuing with the mystery box every Monday. Coming up, we have another Hobie unboxing. I have another box from Kramer Yarns, and I am going to feature another box from a smaller shop. So you can look forward to many more unboxings, alright? I'm going to continue to do book and product reviews, demonstrations, flip-throughs, and that kind of stuff, okay? And I'm going to continue to bring you lots and lots of content almost daily. I did have in April some issues with my back, and so I had to take some time off, but hey, I feel a lot better, and I'm so ready for May and the flowers, just in case you didn't know. One other thing I wanted to address is that in a recent video, in fact, it was a Darn Good Yarns unboxing if you want to check it out, me and my cat kind of had an issue with one another. I thought it was hilarious and he didn't, and so to make that up with him, I've decided, he says that you guys are going to like this, but I don't know. He's always really wanted to be on YouTube, and he gets a mystery box every month, okay? It's called the Kitnip box, and it's basically always a theme, and it's filled with cat toys and all of that kind of stuff. Well, he basically just wants a chance to get on YouTube, and I know that doesn't have anything to do with crafts, but it's what I'm doing to make up for putting a piece of fur on his head and pretending like it was hair. I don't know, it was whatever. So look forward for that too, okay? Basically the bottom line is I'm very excited. I'm excited about this channel, I'm excited about May, I'm excited about flowers, I'm excited about everything that I'm going to be bringing to you. I cannot wait to teach you guys how to do mosaic crochet. It's going to be so amazing because you guys are going to be able to do so many cool things with it. And you'll be able to design your own patterns too. So what's the goal? right? I didn't have a goal in April so much, and I didn't really have a goal in March so much, but I have a goal this month, and you guys can help me with it, okay? So here it is. My goal in May is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Does it seem like it's too high? I don't know. I don't think it is. But here's how you guys can help. You can help by sharing my YouTube channel with your friends. You can help by liking my videos, commenting on it, giving me some suggestions for things to do, things not to do. Fine, you know, I might mention them in new videos. I might mention them and like kind of make fun of myself, but I'm not like making fun of any suggestions, I promise. I just kind of like to, you know, give myself a hard time. It's kind of a joke. But yeah, and you can also always email me, and if there's a product or a book that you want me to review, let me know. I'll get it. I'll figure it out. As long as it's not too expensive. I do have a channel wish list for that though. If you guys want to get me anything for the channel, I would just go back to the channel. I promise. I'm not kidding. And also, I just wanted to also take the time to thank those of you guys who are here with me. I am really loving doing this. I love this channel and I love putting time into it, and I've been really thinking hard about different ways that I can make it really good. So I am just going to continue bringing you more, and just be prepared because I've got more stuff coming for you. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.